Hi everyone, I'm Sugati Yoganingam. I am a degree student from University Sultan Abdullah Kuala Kangsapara. Today, I would like to present about Chapter 3 Information System Organization and Strategy from Subject Management Information System with code KOM 6033. This mind map going to explain or more details on subtopic 3.2, that what is the impact of information system on organization that changes brought by IT, information technology. There are two impacts. First, economical impacts. Economical impact changes relative costs of capital and costs of information. IT firm contract insights because it can reduce transaction costs. Transaction costs, IT lower market transaction costs from firm, making it worthwhile for firm to transact with other firms rather than grow the number of employees. And it also vertical integration, hiring more employees, buying suppliers, and distributed by its own by using information technology. Okay. Next, IT also increase the productivity of the organization, and its firm lower the transaction cost by hiring employees, suppliers, and distributors. IT also reduce internet management costs by managing itself with help of information technology. Okay. Next, impacts organization and behavior. There are two main points under this impacts. IT flatten the organization. IT decrease the decision-making rights in organization. Decision-making is pushed to lower levels. Fewer managers are needed. IT able faster decision-making and increased span of control. Information system can reduce the number of levels in the organization by providing managers with information to supervise large number of workers and by giving lower level employees more decision-making authorities. Large organizations have downsized, reducing the number of employees and the number of level in organization. It means IT make work easy to distribute the information into organization, especially the empower lower level employees and increase management efficiency. Management more effective. Okay. Second main point is post-industrial organization. IT may encourage task force network, and also shape of organization flatten. Organization flatten because in post-industrial society, authority increasingly relies on knowledge and competence rather than formal position. IT may encourage task force network organization in which groups of professionals can together face-to-face or electronic. Shape of organization flatten because professionals workers tend to be self-managing and decision-making become efficient and information become more widespread throughout the firm. Okay. Next, the internet and the organization. The internet increased the accessibility, storage, and distributing the information knowledge for the organization. WWF it means web. Okay, WWW it means World Wide Web. In short form, WWW, commonly known as a web, is an information system where documents and other web resources is identified by a uniform resource locator URLs such as .com, http.s, which may interlinked by hypertext and accessible over the internet. It's help more organization to make their work easy. Okay. The internet can greatly lower transaction costs and agency costs. Example, large firms delivers internet manuals to employees via the corporate website, saving millions of dollars in distributing costs. It can help organizations save more and reach their goals to be a successful organization in marketplace. Okay, the last part in 3.0 is organizational resistance to information system innovation. Okay, organization resistant to change. Information system become bound up in organization politics because they influence access to a key resources of information. Information system potential change an organization structure, culture, politics, and work. Most common reason for failure of large project is due to organizational and resistance of change. Okay. Implementing information system as co-sequence for task arrangement, structure, pupil. According to this model, the implementation change all the four components must be changed simultaneously. Okay, that's all from subtopic 3.2, that the impact of information system on organization brought by IT. Thank you very much.